Okay. So you talk about customers' concern, especially the issue of undue charges to their accounts. But before then, let me just say that Prof. Waleke has laid a very solid foundation on the issue of recapitalization and all that it meant to us as a nation, as a banking community, and as shareholders. So, issue of concern by depositors as regards undue charges on their accounts. I want to believe that CBN is in the best position to ensure that banks don't charge arbitrarily. There is what we call the scale of charges or the table of charges that guides banks as to what to charge and not what to charge. So what I can assure our depositors, the public, is that if you notice that you have been charged arbitrarily, one, make a report to the bank for them to correct what has been charged arbitrarily or to reverse it. But if not, you have an opening to escalate it to the Consumer Protection Department of CBN, and you can easily get the address information on them if you go to CBN portal or CBN website. Additionally, there's a subcommittee of the Bankers Committee that resides at the CIBN headquarters. It is called the Ethics and Professionalism Committee or Subcommittee of the Bankers Committee. The secretariat is at the CIBN. You can also petition that committee if you are sure and you are convinced that you have been charged arbitrarily by any bank on any item at all. But of course, you must have the facts and you must be ready to defend your petition. Aside that, I think most banks are trying their best these days to ensure that customers are well served in terms of IT capability, in terms of innovations, and even branch networks. And of course, today, a lot of banks have gone digital, that you don't even have to get to the banking hall before you can make your transactions. So banks have, over the years, improved on their services. And of course, there's what we call the net agency banking, SANEV, that brings banks to your doorstep in your communities, in your local governments, all over the federation. Those are the efforts that banks and the banking community have made over the years to ensuring that customers or their depositors are well served.